Today we're going to learn about Microsoft Quick Assist so we can get help if we need it. So here we have a computer that needs help. So you tell your friend to type in or look for the word Quick Assist. So Quick Assist. So you open the Quick Assist app and it takes a minute to load, and then you're going to get help. So now on this computer, this is your computer, also look for Quick Assist and you open it, and if you need to help someone you may need to sign in. So this opens and then you choose help someone and then it connects. So now I'm logged in. You have to be logged in. Now it's given us this code, a one-time code, which is 636F3S. So 636F3S. Notice it expires in 10 minutes. So now, if you're still not sure, you can also go to give instructions, and then you can tell the person what to do. Select start, blah blah blah. So now this person presses submit, and now it will wait. So now here it's automatically connecting. So we're both connecting. And then now if you want, now you have to allow, other person has to press allow to allow screen sharing. And if they've got something private, they have time to close it. But now we're connecting. Now this program is great because I normally use BombGuard, which is now called BeyondTrust, but it doesn't work really well on Windows S. So we're having to put on the Microsoft support. So if we open our window, on the person who's doing the help, they can see everything. So right now they can just see your screen. We can see their screen, but we can't actually do anything. So we can request control. If we press request control, now this person will see that I'm requesting control. They can allow or deny. So if they press allow, now I have control. So they can do anything I want on this computer. The user who's getting help, they can pause at any time. So when the computer's paused, I can't see anything. And then they can resume. And when they resume, now we're back to normal. So control stays. They also cancel control at any time, and they can also send you a message. Of course, you can see them type, so it's kind of silly, but you can actually minimize this if you want. So now you can see it in the chat on the right side. So if we press and toggle chat, we can also, if they've got multiple monitors, we can choose between the monitors that we're looking at. We can zoom in to the actual size of their monitor. This is the actual size because they got I think a 15-inch and a 17-inch. I can also pause, and I can open up the task manager on the user's computer, so I can automatically do that. I can also annotate, so I can draw on the person's screen, and then they can see it. So I could say, hey, go here, and then I can erase that if I made a mistake. So I can erase the whole thing and then I can exit the annotation. So now I'm helping this person out, and then when we're all done, we can just we can also reboot the user's computer. So I can press restart, and that'll restart the remote device, and then after it comes back up, it'll automatically reconnect to the computer. And then also now, if we're done, we can just leave the session, and we're done. And now this person take a minute, but now they're pretty much gone. Any questions, please post a comment. Thank you.